Everyone. Today I will show you how to fix sound problem on Total Battle. So just watch and follow this video till the end. You should go and open the settings of your device. Click at apps option and search for Total Battle and click. Scroll here this list down, click on storage, click clear cache right now and you're back. Click at force stop here, click OK. Move to Play Store or App Store and update Total Battle. Restart now your mobile phone and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.